indicted in a series of murders, non-fatal shootings, and even an arson spanning 2025 will be back in court in late September. Andrew Jackson appeared before Judge Jessica Green yesterday in person. Judge Green entered a not guilty plea for Jackson and gave him a $500,000 full cash bond. Because Malik Johnson was appearing by Zoom from the Green River Correctional Complex, his arraignment was rolled to September 22nd. Jackson will also be back in court that same day.